Let's get back to weather now. This is something we can all feel good about. The sunshine, the weekend.
Yes.
It's feels good that it's Friday, doesn't it?
Yeah, but it won't feel good that it's going to feel like 115 in spots this weekend. And I'm not cherry picking one specific town, folks. It's going to be dangerously hot outside this weekend. But this morning, we got quite a bit of rainfall as we opened up the show with. You could see all of the rain that's estimated by the radar. It usually overdoes it by about 2 inches or so, but still 4 to 6 inches across a good part of the river valley, leading to all of that flash flooding. There's that system pulling out. The good news was, if there's a silver lining, it was relatively a fast mover. It only rained for about 3 hours in the Fort Smith and Van Buren area, but that was enough to create all that flash flooding. You can see just how high the Arkansas River is over the bridge that carries I-540 over the river. You can actually, if you look up here, you can just see how quickly the river is flowing because of how high it is. Right now, overall in Fort Smith, things are dry. You see some high clouds out there and a couple of puffy cumulus clouds in Fayetteville as well. Now, because of that rain this morning, it kept temperatures down into the lower 80s across northwest Arkansas and the river valley. We'll be begging for these numbers. It'll be a while before we have temperatures back in the lower 80s starting tomorrow, unfortunately. Quiet tonight. There could be a stray shower in northwest Arkansas, but waking up tomorrow morning already in the lower 80s. By tomorrow evening, if you have a cookout planned, it's going to be a scorcher. Air temperatures will be in the lower to mid 90s. Look at Fort Smith, flirting with the century mark, unfortunately. And even waking up Sunday morning, it's still very hot and oppressively humid. All of the rain that we had is going to evaporate into the atmosphere and create just horrible conditions. We could see dew points approaching 80 degrees this weekend. Lows tonight, if we dip this cool, will be in the mid 60s to around 70, but we'll rebound. Blowtorch weather tomorrow into the 90s. And with all that moisture, heat indices, how hot it'll feel, 90s, triple digits across the river valley. And then by Sunday, it gets even worse. Widespread triple-digit heat, and these numbers might be a little conservative, what the models are putting out. We have a heat advisory for tomorrow in the river valley in eastern Oklahoma, excessive heat warning for Sunday, where the Weather Service is thinking heat index values could be well over 110, 112, so you got to protect yourself from the heat. Heat, I can't say this enough, heat is the #1 killer of all weather phenomenon. It is the heat that takes the most lives every year, and it is going to be hot in northwest Arkansas as well as the river valley over the next 7 days. And, you know, we haven't had a lot of heat yet, so our bodies aren't acclimated to it. So you got to wear that light-colored clothing and drink lots of water, stay in the air conditioning. Yesterday, Martin forecasted 85 for Poto. Just got there by just getting there by 4 degrees. Shane Turner gets the umbrella. Congratulations. And then tomorrow we'll take you to Maysville near the Oklahoma-Arkansas border in Benton County, 91. Stay with us. Paige is going to do a comprehensive check of the sports world right after the break.